Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to boost your writing creativity and productivity? Meet TEXTCORTEX, the AI assistant that saves you time and take your content to the next level. The question arises here is, what is TEXTCORTEX? TEXTCORTEX is an AI-powered platform designed for content creators, marketers, and professionals. It helps generate high-quality content from blog posts and product description to emails and academic paper with just few clicks. Its interface and features are too easy to use. Simply input your ideas or prompts and let TEXTCORTEX do the magic. It leverages powerful natural language models to generate detailed and relevant text that aligns with your goals. It's as easy as brainstorming with a friend. Some standout features include multiple templates for blogs, emails, and product description. Second one comes here is tone customization to match formals, friendly, and persuasive styles. Summarization and rewriting tools that turn dense information into clear messages. These features altogether make your content unique and creative, and increase the chances of readability and attract more viewers to your website. Whether you are a busy marketer writing ad copies, a student drafting research papers, or a business owner sending emails, TEXTCORTEX saves times and improves productivity. As you can see, the interface is too simple and too easy to use, and there are so many options and tools you can use. Plus, here while writing, the AI ensures the language is natural and impactful, so you can focus on what matters. Here's an example. Imagine you need a product description, just type your product's feature, click generate, and instant professional copy in seconds. Or you are a student or a worker in a preparing your documents and research paper. TEXTCORTEX.ai can help you increase your productivity and draft an outline for your research papers. So, why waste time struggling with writer's block? Try TEXTCORTEX and discover how easy content creation can be. TEXTCORTEX can be really helpful as it's time saving because it automates content generation and reduces hours of manual work. Second, it's versatile because it supports various writing needs like marketing, academic, and creative. Improves quality, generate professional and polished text, minimizing errors. Fourth, customization. Offer multiple tones and templates to suit specific needs. Fifth is productivity boost. Users can focus on strategy and creativity instead of repetitive writing tasks. To dive into the journey of exploring AI detectors and how to bypass them, link is given in description. Enroll now and start your AI journey with Botpanels.